Hi and welcome to the short tutorials. In this video I will show you what is vanish mode and how you can use this feature on the Instagram. So process is pretty simple. Watch this video till the end and you have to follow the same procedure, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. So first of all, you have to open your Instagram mobile application. Once you will open it, you have to click on your messenger from the right top here. Okay. Once you will tap on it, you will see your inbox is here. So you have to select any friend chats, tap on it, and once you will do it, now you will see it's a normal chat. You have to swipe up to turn on vanish mode. So vanish mode is basically a chat option on the Instagram, where you can chat with your friends secretly like Snapchat. Once you will turn off the vanish mode, your chat will be deleted instantly. So this is the procedure. Hope this video will helpful for you. See you next time, and if you have any question you can ask me in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.